Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarchala, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity as a potential tool for improving insulin resistance, hormonal balance, and overall metabolic health, which are the key concerns for women with PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome. Since PCOS is a major cause of anovulation and infertility, addressing these metabolic issues through intermittent fasting may directly improve fertility. So let's see how PCOS affects fertility. PCOS is characterized by insulin resistance, which leads to high insulin levels, which stimulate the ovaries to produce excess androgens or male hormones. It causes irregular ovulation or anovulation, also makes conception difficult because of this reason, causes hormonal imbalance, which are elevated luteinizing hormone, testosterone and estrogen levels, which interfere with egg maturation. PCOS women also complain of obesity or weight gain, which is often linked to worsening PCOS symptoms. Since insulin resistance and excess weight are key contributors to PCOS related infertility, intermittent fasting may help by improving metabolic function and hormonal balance. So let's look at the benefits of intermittent fasting for PCOS, especially those who are trying for fertility. Intermittent fasting improves insulin sensitivity. So women with PCOS often have high insulin levels, which increase testosterone production and they worsen ovulation problems. So intermittent fasting lowers insulin levels, making cells more sensitive to insulin, reducing testosterone and restoring ovulation. Studies suggest that fasting for 12 to 16 hours daily can significantly reduce insulin resistance in women with PCOS. This kind of fasting also restores ovulation and menstrual regularity because it helps regulate gonadotropins, which are luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, which control the ovulation process. By reducing insulin spikes, intermittent fasting helps decrease androgens, allowing for more balanced estrogens and progesterone levels, which are very critical for ovulation. Many women report more regular periods after following intermittent fasting. This kind of a fasting supports weight loss if you are overweight and PCOS. Around 50 to 80% of women with PCOS struggle with obesity or excess weight, and this kind of fasting, which is intermittent fasting, reduces caloric intake naturally, leading to weight loss and improved metabolic health. Even a 5 to 10% reduction in body weight can significantly improve ovulation and fertility. This fasting reduces inflammation. PCOS is associated with chronic low-grade inflammation, which can worsen the egg quality and implantation. And intermittent fasting has been shown to lower inflammatory markers like CRP and IL-6, which may improve ovarian function. If intermittent fasting is followed properly, it can enhance gut microbiome diversity, which is linked to better hormone regulation and reduced androgen levels. Better gut health also supports estrogen metabolism, reducing symptoms like bloating and irregular period. So, what type of intermittent fasting is best for PCOS women? Different types exist, but for fertility and PCOS, the most effective and sustainable options include the 12 by 12 method, fasting for 12 hours, eating within a 12-hour window. It's a good form of intermittent fasting for beginners. Or a 14 by 10 method, fasting for 14 hours, eating within a 10-hour window. Or 16 by 8 method, fasting for 16 hours, eating within a 8-hour window. And most studied form of insulin resistance is this 16 by 8 method. Extreme fasting, which is something like OMAD or prolonged fasting, may increase stress hormones, which are cortisol, and negatively impact ovulation. Therefore, they are not suggested. Does intermittent fasting work for all women with PCOS? Yes, it's best for women with insulin resistant PCOS. Intermittent fasting is particularly effective for those with high insulin levels and metabolic dysfunction. It's less effective for lean PCOS because if you're already underweight or have lean PCOS, fasting may disrupt ovulation further and reduce energy intake too much. So, are there any downsides of intermittent fasting for ovulation for women with PCOS? Yes, it can disrupt hormones if overdone. Too much fasting can increase cortisol and suppress ovulation. It's not ideal for women with low BMI or eating disorders because underweight women may experience worsened cycle irregularities. It may also cause energy deficiency. Women trying to conceive must ensure they get enough nutrients and calories. So, intermittent fasting can improve fertility in women by lowering insulin resistance, regulating hormones, supporting weight loss, reducing inflammation, but it has to be done in moderation. Women trying to conceive should avoid over restrictive fasting and prioritize nutrient dense meals with their eating window. If you like to understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.